Yo, what's up, everybody? Alright, y'all may remember I was telling y'all next video probably is gonna be a unboxing. I don't have my scissors. I got 3 packages though. Let me grab my scissors. I don't know what's in the packages, but I'm definitely hoping that all 3 of them is for the 440. So I got this big boy package here, and we got this package here. Trying to fit it through the plastic, and this. We feel like it's the smallest, so we opening it first. Might be my kids. Oh, who we got here? That's where I got my some of my parts from. So that some of y'all might be blowing. You see that by the red scrambler bear, scramblercycle.com. That's where I got a lot of my stuff from. Let's maybe hit you out. Yeah, baby. Carburetor repair. One for each car. That's the way they came too. Let's see what, you know what? Let's see what's in here. Alright. Got the gasket, the needles. Spring for the needle, and we got all the jets, including the little rubber gaskets. Y'all can see those in there. See, even the little rubber gaskets, we got those too. Even the little rubber gaskets. Yeah. So we got 2 of those. I don't know. More than likely gonna be the weekend. I'm tired because I'm still tired. Just got off work, saw the packages, so I said I'm gonna come on outside and see what's in them. All right, what are we looking at here for package number 2? Oh, he gonna love this. This is the air filter for Chris. For his bike, his Honda. We can finish that up. Have that run a ride. As soon as I get through making the video, I'm texting. Yep, I will be texting him as soon as I finish up here. Try to get some coffee. Good boy. Alright. I do not know what this is. I don't remember. You forgot you waiting on something trying to take a month to get here. You know? You forgot what it is. Oh snap! This is from the US, no wonder it came fast. Alright. Got my handlebars. And I want to show y'all, this is the other place that I get some stuff from. ClassicCycleParts.com. So y'all see it, the name, information, all the info. Look for that. Yeah, boy. Oh man. These are my balls, man. Because I already got my grips. Like I said, I'm going to use some stuff I already have. Got plugs and ends. I got my grips. I got the braking master cylinder. Dude, I'm thinking, I'm still waiting on the switch. I pull them risers off. I can paint them risers, and maybe tomorrow I can put these on. Yeah, I'm thinking I might do that. Pull them old bars off, them old handlebars off. Let me show y'all what we talking about and what we looking at here. So y'all get a bird's eye view. But yeah. I know the light a little bad here, but y'all have to bear with me. Oh, got that under there. So y'all can see those balls I got right here. And these are gonna be the new balls. So looking at it like that, baby. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna probably bring them in just a little bit, so I don't have to do a lot of leaning. I'm gonna be sitting more like straight up and down. Oh, that's gonna be sweet. Yeah, that's gonna be sweet right there. Yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna do. I'll screw some of this stuff, pull a lot of this off of here. Yeah. All right, so let me get to doing what I gotta do. I'm not gonna paint them just yet. I'm gonna take them off. There's a lot of stuff I need to paint all at once anyway. And I may be able to bring y'all back and let y'all get a quick little look at it. So just hang tight for a second here, y'all.